Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. If it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we will be talking about windows and balustrades, right? I think it's been a while since we posted videos about windows and balustrades. I mean, since Bruno passed away last year, may his soul rest in perfect peace, right? So I mean, that doesn't mean that we haven't been working on projects. I mean, we have, but I didn't want to promote the windows and stuff because we had jobs in the pipeline, right? There was some projects that we have to do, which Bruno was working on, right? So we didn't want to mess it with the new ones that are coming. That's why I stopped posting them, just in case we don't mix things up. But I mean, fast forward, we are done with all of those projects that Bruno was handling, right? I mean, Bruno trusted Ishmael, who has taken over now. I mean, he's the guy taking the measurement now. I mean, Bruno trusted this guy with his bank details, everything, whilst he was sick, on the bed at the hospital, right? And told him he should get all the things done, right? So that is what Ishmael has been doing all this while, getting those projects done. And I mean, we are done with them, right? So we are here to take new projects up, right? So Ishmael has been on that. I mean, he has not been the face of the Windows work. It's always been Bruno showing the face and everything, but this guy is behind those works, right? Bruno has been like the boss, right, who manages the windows and the glasses. I mean, the glasses, the frame, and also the plaster boards, some balustrades and stuff, right? Bruno does like knows knowledge about everything, but this guy is in charge of the glasses during that time. So it is not that when you are working with Ishmael, you have like different quality. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just that Bruno comes with more, right? And this guy is specifically for the glasses. So all the nice glasses work you've been seeing, this guy is in the video. If you go back and you watch, you see that the workers, this guy Ishmael is always there. So it's not a new person that you will be working with the same quality work, right? So I mean, fast forward, we have some projects which we've been doing that I will be showing it to you. So stay tuned for that, right? So Ishmael is our new guy here. For now, we will maintain the Bruno playlist, but it is Ishmael who will be doing your Windows work if you get in touch with him. So that is his number on the screen. You can get in touch with him and he will do all your works, right, for you. I mean, the quality is the same. If you go back to watch Bruno's video, it's the same quality, it's the same finishes that you get, from Ishmael. So, by the way, if you like the balustrade work, I mean, it was done by Frank, who is our metal works here at Gigo Production Group. You will be seeing, I mean, the videos that are coming, you will be seeing his works because, like I said, we are a team, right? And most of my viewers that uses my team, they uses everybody in there, right? So you see that the balustrades, the POP works, balustrades will be done by either Frank or was done by Bruno. You will see that the Windows design and works will be done by Segbedre. I mean, our painter also there. I mean, those projects are coming. The finishes project, they will be coming, and you will be seeing the collaboration with, Gigo Production Group and the works that we are doing here on the channel. So, if you want your balustrades done, your burglar proofs, right, done, any metal works for your project, look at Frank, right, Mighty Metal Works. You can also go to my playlist. If you go to Frank Mighty Metal Works, you see most of the work done, nice designs done here, right? So fast forward, let's start with this project, which is in Kasiebo, right? That is all the way at Cape Coast. So Ishmael went there to take the measurement, right? Take the measurement, and here he's doing his final inspection. This is the end of, I mean, the result, after the work. and you can see the amazing work being done here. I mean, there are so many type of glasses, right, or windows frames, right, but all depends on your finance, right, how much you have, what you are looking for. But I mean, they are all good quality, right? I mean, it depends on the style and what you are looking for, right? Sometimes also nature will determine what you have to use based on the environment where your house is located. Sometimes it influence in the decision of your window frames. But beside that, I mean, you don't have to put much pressure on yourself. If you call Ishmael, Ishmael can advise you, right? I mean, that is what I do mostly on my project. You know, when I bring the guys to site, I have my own opinion, but I also ask them what do they think and what is best, and then they always come with their opinion, and together we come out with a good result.
This is the lens. And this is the lock. This is the lock. You open it like this, and you open the ring. Close it with the net. You close it,
Then
and you lock it. And you see all the nets can slide smoothly. You open, then you close it.
So that was Ishmael for you. I mean, taking us through doing the final checks, and I mean, you can see the work being done, you know, for yourself. It's always, to me, I let the work speak for, you know, itself, right? I mean, I can tell you all the nice things done, but, you know, you can see it for yourself. The work speaks, you know, for, you know, itself, right? So this project is in Kasiebo, right, which is the Pan-African village, I think, in Cape Coast. That's where that's where Ishmael, right, went there to do this work with his team, right? So if you have your project, I mean, it doesn't matter where you are, Ishmael will come. I mean, they've been to Temale, right? To Temale, to Togo, right? Sometimes even Burkina Faso when Bruno was alive. I mean, if you go to my playlist, you will see the work, and it is the same. Like I keep saying, it is the same result. They are the same people. You know, it is not that we have a different person who is replacing Bruno. No, it is the same team. It's the same boys, right? The only guy who is not there is Bruno, and I mean, may his soul rest in perfect peace, right? So I will use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the owner for using Ishmael for his project. So fast forward, I mean, this is another project that, I mean, Gigo Production Group has been here working hard. I mean, you can see the windows also done by Ishmael. I mean, this was the last project which Bruno took measurements, took the money, and then he passed away. He couldn't do it anymore. So Ishmael went there to do, you know, all the works, right? So the painting was done by, I mean, Gigo Production Group. The balustrade, I said the burglar proofs also done. I mean, the wall design also done. So watch out for, I mean, the Committee 25, this project. I mean, I have videos of it, how everything was done, painted and everything. So stay tuned for that, right? So next project, this is I mean, another project that Ishmael also finished, right? All these projects were in the pipeline during the time that, you know, Bruno was not feeling well and stuff. So this project was also there. I mean, it is completed, right? And I mean, you know, my channel is always about sharing tips and ideas. These are some of the ways you can get your house finished and move in, and then start working on the minor finishes, right? So you do the major finishes, which is, I mean, you need your doors, you need your windows, you need your tiles, right? I mean, painting can always be done later, right? And then you fit in your sanitary, you know, things, your toilet, your sink, for shower, everything. And then, you take your time to do the finishes, right? The landscaping, the plastering of the outside. You have to do the inside also, right? So these are some of the strategies, right, that you can go, because doing plastering is not easy, right? The number of cements and labor work, days, and all that. You can use that money to finish with the windows, stay in. You are living in, you can live in this house like this for so many years, right? But it is advisable to kind of take your time, right, to finish your house. So when I'm sharing ideas and tips about, you finishing your house step by step, this is some of the process, right? You don't have to finish your house completely before you move in. There are ways you can go about it so that, if you are renting, you can use that money to, be finishing this house step by step whilst you are still living in there, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Look at do we.